filming an assembly video during maintenance. These are all the parts of this slingshot, excluding the rubber band clips. This slingshot features a rubber band reset and a pre-assembled push-to-load magazine. I just took it apart. Now, let's put it back together. Next is the loading button. I grabbed the wrong part here. Just tighten it with the included small wrench. Don't use too much force. Next, install the rear stop lever and 2 sets of pulleys. You can apply a little grease during assembly. This reduces friction. Test the rolling action after installation. Apply a little grease to this side roller before installing it. This part might be tricky to install. You can use tools like tweezers. Next up are the rubber bands. Place the folded side of the rubber band facing up. Insert the rubber bands into each side of the pulley. Press the rubber band down by hand. Then press and roll it into place. You can also pry this shaft with tweezers or a screwdriver. Pull down the rubber bands on both sides, then snap them into the clips. Pulling the small tab adjusts the length. If it's too loose, the magnet won't hold the steel ball. Install the side covers, and assembly is complete. This is what it looks like overall. The material is aluminum alloy. It weighs about 300 grams. It has some heft to it. Let's attach a few to test the magnetism. Okay, they mostly stick. I'll test outdoors later.